let's look at how we activate our clickers. Many of us have the Active Expression 2 clickers. Those are the ones with the full style keypad. To register them, it's the same exact way we did the slate. So we're just going to go back to View, go to Dashboard. On Dashboard, we're going to go to Configure, Register Devices, make sure we're on the Active Hub over here. And then on this one, you'll notice that we don't have a clicker that looks like our new style ones. We're just going to do the Active Expressions, that's why it's pluralized, and we're going to click on that one. So once we click on there, it's very similar to what we just did with the slate. We're going to click Register. Asks us how many we're going to register at this time. I suggest that you register all 32 that are in your pack. The reason why is if you only have 24 kids in your class, and if a battery goes dead on one of those, you can just grab them another one out of the pack and say, here, use this one. If you only register 24 and you have 24 students and the battery goes dead, you're kind of stuck because you'll have to shut everything down, register another clicker, hand that clicker to them, and go through that process. So it's best if you register them all at once and then just put the other ones in the pack and leave them there. The other thing with this is do not do anything with allow expression end users name. Don't worry about that. We're going to name these devices when we set up our class lists. So I would put 32 in here and go from there. I only have one clicker today to use, so I'm just going to put in one for me, but you would put 32 in there. Click on Next, and then it says to follow these steps. So all you do is turn it on, hit the menu button where it says register, you'll pick choose, and then put in that code. You'll notice the same as with the slate. When you finish registering all the devices and the last one finally gets registered, the screen will automatically pop off. As you are registering these devices down this side, you will also notice them popping up on this screen and saying which ones are registered. Don't worry about the names other than the naming convention. When we create our class lists and we assign the devices to the students, the names will change on the devices themselves. They won't ever change here, but they'll change on the devices themselves. But that's simply how you register your clickers. If you have active votes instead of active expressions, all you simply do is click on active right there. Click register, and you go through the same process. Put how many there are. Click next. Instead, you just click the orange flame in the center. When you press down on that, the two lights at the top will light up. You hit the three-letter code, and it registers the device same way. So that's pretty much how you register your devices.